In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create page view based events in Google Analytics 4. I'm starting here on my computer, and the first thing I'm doing is opening a browser and going into Google Analytics. Once it loads, I'm signing in and landing on the GA4 dashboard where all your tracking data and configurations are managed. Now I'm looking at the bottom left corner of the screen and clicking on admin. I'm selecting that now because this is where all the property level settings are controlled, including event creation and data configuration options. Once the admin panel opens, I'm navigating to the data display section. I'm moving into this area because this is where GA4 lets us manage how data appears and how events are structured inside the system. Now I'm clicking on events. I'm selecting that now because this is where all existing events are listed and where we can create new ones based on specific user actions or conditions. At this point, I'm clicking the create event button. I'm selecting it now because this allows us to define a custom event based on page view behavior or other conditions already being tracked by GA4. Now I'm entering the event name. I'm typing it carefully so it clearly represents the action we want to track. Naming is important here because it helps you identify the event later when analyzing reports. Next, I'm defining when the event should trigger. I'm setting the condition based on page view activity, meaning the event will fire when a user views a specific page or matches a specific page related condition. This is where you control exactly what qualifies as the event. Once everything is configured, I'm clicking create. I'm selecting that now, and GA4 saves the new event and begins monitoring for the conditions we defined. After this is created, GA4 will start collecting data whenever the page view condition is met, and the event will appear in your reports once users start triggering it. You can then go into the events report later to verify that the page view based event is being recorded correctly and see how often it is triggered over time. And that's it. You've now seen how to create page view based events in Google Analytics 4, from accessing the admin panel and opening the events section, to defining conditions and creating a custom event that tracks specific page view behavior.